Hello from Slovenia again. I still have mixture of this white with satin, polyurethane satin varnish and CDs that I fill the hole with hot glue. You can see this in one of my other videos, but when I did some hammer smashes, but today I want to do a reverse flower dip, just a little one, and this is just not okay. I'm not used to this. See, it's just not so easy as if you have push pens underneath your canvas. I should probably add another cup underneath. Just a second. Or maybe this one, because it's wider, so I think this will be better. I will just pop up these air bubbles, and this CD is small, so I will have to be careful with layering my paint, because I don't need much paint here. If I will have too much paint, it will not be nice, I think. So I just have to check if there are some blobs maybe on the squeeze bottles. It's okay. So I will use just 3 colors today: dioxazine purple, pearl white and opera rose, because I really don't want to have too much paint. So I will go almost to the edge, and I have a blob, you see. And I have to be careful with this pearl white, because I don't want too much of it. Okay, we'll just add a little more of this purple, because I almost lost it. So, and now opera rose, and this will be it. I will dump my paper towel with water. I hope that I will not throw this CD while I will lifting this. I will just gently press this. And I think that I will just put it down because I don't feel comfortable with having this on this cup. So, and now I will grab my corners and lift. I will just spread this, tilt this a little bit. And I think that I'm done. Let me torch this a little bit. I just want to push this a little off sides if I can. Just try to fix this center a little bit. You can always touch it with your finger on places that you think that you should fix. And I have something here, you see, a hair or something. I think it's cute, but I was hoping for a little more of a lacing on the outside because of this polyurethane mixture for the background, but I didn't get much of it. These effects are just from Pearl White. I'll just try to torch this a little more here on the sides. and now my seed is warping because of the heat. I think maybe I torch a little too much. I will leave it now because I'm afraid that I will lose these parts that I like if I continue. We'll take you for a close-up. Lacing is beautiful, but I didn't get much of this effects that I get with hammer smash technique and this mixture, so I just want to try it to see if it works with flower dips too, and I think that I get the same result as I get when I use my regular white mixture. So, but it was worth to try. This is it for today, and we see you on the next one. Bye.